So this is my phone. Welcome to my phone. Okay, now this is my phone inside. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go to Play Store. You go to Play Store. You search for Piano Companion. Make sure you search for Piano Companion. This is it here. Search for Piano Companion. So it will come like this. But to you, it will show download or install. Sorry, to you it will show installed. When you click on install, it will be installed. Then when it is done installed, it is showed opened. Then you click on open. When you click on open, this is the interface of the application. This is the interface of the application. So the first thing I would want us to go there is the courses. We have courses. So right, so here you can take any course which you want to learn. When it comes to piano courses, you can take any course here. Okay, let us see the first course. The first course here is the ultimate piano chords. So if you take this course, let us see the details. So if you click on it, it will take you straight to the website. See, the ultimate piano course. So here you can enroll and have your musical course. See how nice this app is. Very, very nice. Yeah, we have blues. So we click on it to get details. It will take you to the website where you can apply, and you have your musical courses that we follow daily. Yeah, we have different genres. Blues is a genre of music. We have blues piano lessons. So this is another course you can take from different people. We have another one. It's how to play piano by ear. So this one is developing your music ear. See how beautiful it is. If you want this one, maybe you are a average player and you have problem of finding pitch or following progression of songs, then this course is good for you. You take this course so that you can work out your musical ear. And okay, we have jazz piano. Jazz piano is another genre. This jazz is another genre of music. So if you want to learn just the jazz, you can apply to this course. This one is learn to read music fast. So many people don't know how to read music or what music is all about. So this course is good for you. So I urge you to go find this app in the Play Store. It's very, very good for you as a beginner to learn your piano. Right, there's another one here that is very, very helpful, which is the circle of the feet. So you see the circle of the feet. This one is very, very important. So this one, whenever you want to talk about the circle of the feet, it will tell you how the circle of the feet is. That from here you know that from C, the next note that is coming when it comes to the circle of the feet, from C we go to G, from G to D, from D to A, from A to E, from E to B, from B to F sharp, from F sharp to C sharp, from C sharp to A flat. From A flat we have E flat, from E flat we have B flat, from B flat we have F, and we'll come back to C. So this one will teach you what the feet. So if you scroll down, are you seeing? You see the keys. If you scroll down, you see the various keys. If you scroll down, you see the various keys, and here you see on the staff. You see on the ground staff. This is the ground staff here. This is the keys here. And so we have relative. Those are relatives. These are relative. We have melodic minor, the natural minor. So if you click on it, so it will show you those. This app is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay, let us go back. There's another one here. We have symbols. So many people don't know music symbols. music symbols. So the app will also teach you musical symbols, especially when it comes to note values. So okay, I see this one here, note values. So if you are studying the advanced stuff, you will see that you will see all of these things that have been labeled here. You will see it on the advanced stuff. You see it on the advanced stuff. Okay, let us see the first one. The first one means what? Well, you see the first one, this the first one here. The first one means double whole note. It means double whole note. When you are just in this empty O, it means a whole note. So when you're seeing this one means half note. As you're seeing means quarter note. So all of these things, these are their meaning. These are their meaning. These are their meaning. So this double whole note is talking about a tempo, talking about rest. So this one is talking. This one is the readings. It's not about readings. So you see how to read readings, how to study readings. So this one is enlightening you on the readings, and double whole note is talking about the tempo. What the tempo is being. So it's talking about the tempo. So tempo is being measured by tempo is being measured by BMP. That is beat BPM. That is beat per minute, rather beat per minute. So the double whole note is talking about the tempo. So this one talks about, this is reading. As you can see, when you're seeing the strokes, it's talking about reading note values. So if we go back here, there's another thing that I'm going to show you that is so important and interesting. Okay, wow, this is staff look up. There's going to staff look up the same. So if anything you add here, it will be indicating on the staff. Then we see how beautiful it is. So you see that O there. So in C minor, C major, sorry, C major, C minor. I love this app because everything it is showing the chord, and you are seeing it on the keyboard. So if you want to you want to practice your chord, everything is being there. You are seeing everything with your keyboard. With you are good to go. 2 months, 1 month, 2 weeks, you are able to play very well as a professional with this application, because the application got you. It covers you so many things. So now you're seeing, see how beautiful it is. How so it show you the it represent it here, showed you on the staff. I showed you on the keys. Okay, using keys. So C major, you're seeing C major is cover of C, E, and G. We have here C, E, and G. Gives you C what? C major. C gives you C major. So if you click on C minor, you see it shows you C, E flat, and G. C, E flat, and G. If you see minor, so everything represent, it has a representative. Okay, now this is it on the staff, on the gun staff. So if I change it here, so you are seeing on the gun staff it changes. If I go here, it changes. So this one help you to read music on the gun staff. So with the gun staff, you know that when you see something like this, it's talking about the C minor. Then if you see it like this, it's talking about the C major. So you see how beautiful it is. So let us go back. Another beautiful thing there is the user library. The user library is where you store your data. Maybe you have assignment, or you have your work, you're working online, or you have a certain work, you store it on the user data. This is it here. You just store it on the user data. And we have the piano, a whole set of piano. See how it is. See how beautiful it is. You have a whole set of piano. See how it is, how beautiful it is. So that, and it's been labeled. It's been labeled already. The whole set of piano has been labeled already. So wow. So you see, we have the C. This is the C fold, D fold, E fold, F fold, G, A, B, C, and you have C sharp, D sharp. I mean, it's been labeled. Even if you want to play anything here, so you want to play, you want to do your tuning here, you can be learning your tuning, how to tune music. Yeah, you can be learning your tuning, you can be learning so many other things here. So it is very, 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 very nice. Okay. So it is very, very, so happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So you see how it is very, very good. You can be learning your tuning. And then another beautiful thing concerning this app is chord dictionary. Chord dictionary. Boom. Kai. See how beautiful it is. So every chord has its name, and it's showing how it's being represented on the keyboard. The name and how it's being presented on the keyboard. The name, how it's being shown on the keyboard. The name, how it's being shown on the keyboard. Okay, now let us see. So each time you see C and 5, it's talking about the C feed, which it is contain it contains of the C feed contains of C and G. So if you look on the keyboard, you see that this is G, that is G, this is C here, this is C here, and this is G here. This is G in this place. So the C feet contains of C and G. So whenever you go to that place, hold a C feet. That is what the person means. And this is how it's being represented in the in any place you go, you see this. You know that that is a C feed. And know that that is a C feed. Once you just, they will not write the feed there, but you just see C and 5. You see letter C and 5. Know that they're talking about C feed when it comes to music. Alright, this other one where you see C and capital letter M. When you see C and capital letter M, means C major. C major chord. C major chord. Talking about the C major chord, and C major chord contains of C, E, and G. So if you look on your keyboard, when you press C, G, E, and G, that is C major chord. That is C major chord. So you see how beautiful it is. If you go down, you see C minor. That is C. That is C and small letter M. C small letter M. C small letter M. It talks about C minor. Why C capital letter M talks about C major. Now if you see C and this little O at the top, if you see C and this little O at the top talks about C diminished. So anywhere you are reading music and you see C and this little O on the top, know that is talking about C diminished. And C diminished is making of C. Okay, you see, when you open it, you see the C diminished is because of what? C. This is a key here, and this is it. This is how it's been labeled on the gun staff. This is how it is on the gun staff. So when you see something like this on the gun staff, we are seeing it like this. Know that this is what C diminished. We see like this. Know that it is talking about C diminished. Why this is it on the keyboard? We have C, E flat, and G flat, C, E flat, and G flat. That is C diminished. When you go back, it goes like this. So each time, you want to see what the keys are, you double click, it will open like this so that you see the keys here. This is it here on the staff. This will be augmented. This is C augmented. As you can see up here, come up here, you see up here C augmented. So when you see C, the plus sign on it, it's talking about C augmented. And this is it here, and this is it here. This is how it's been labeled on the staff. So if you're reading music, you see this on the staff, on the grand staff, know that it's the C augmented. And this is it on keys. That in other words, this is it on the piano. So we have C, we have E, and then we have G sharp. That is C augmented. You just have to go back. So each time you want to view any chord, okay, now this is C sus 2. So we are seeing C and they see sus 2. That is talk about suspended. Talks about suspended. So we see sus 2 is talking about C suspended. C suspended 2, C suspended 4, C suspended fold. See, then you see this, it's talking about flat. So each time you're seeing C6, the sixth note, that is, you are seeing how it's being represented on the keyboard. So see how this one is so beautiful. So this one talks about all of the chord. Are you seeing chord pad? So talk chord dictionary. This talk all of course. So if you want to separate them, you can just press here. You see only major chord. This is only major chord. Major chord begins with here. C major 7, C minor 7, minor 9, minor 10. This is card. This is card 11, card 10, C 7 6. So this is major. If you want to talk about minor, you have to click here. You see exchanging. The minute you click here, augmented to click. So see how beautiful this app is for your beginner lessons as a keyboardist. If you want to learn music, so and you can come do shopping here, maybe to see some other things, or maybe if you want to buy music courses. So you have to subscribe. So to unlock, so you have to subscribe so that you can have access to more features. To unlock the pro features of this application, you have to do a subscribe. But you don't necessarily need a subscription, because only this one is good for you. This one is good for you. You don't necessarily need the subscription. So like, share this video, and make sure you comment. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best as you begin this your musical race. As you begin this your musical race, I wish you all the best, and take note to always practice. I see you have your destiny here. Take note to always practice. For parents that want their daughter, their sons to learn music, this app is good to go.